Hey Artland, how's it going today? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a shark surprise fold. So to do this, you just want to take your paper and fold it in half just like this. And it's just like you're making a birthday card. Just kind of fold right down the edge there. So that way it can open up just like this. Now, you're gonna take your paper and you're gonna turn it like this. And then you just want to take this flap and fold it down towards the fold. So you just want to fold it right down here. And then that way when you open it up, you have a nice little flap to hold on so you can kind of reveal your picture. You can do it this way or you guys can do it this way, whatever you want to. So I'm going to have mine going this way. So I'm just going to keep it folded. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to actually draw my shark. So to do this, it's very easy. We're just going to keep this really simple. So with my paper folded, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve down. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Careful of your little bump. Just like this. Now, right up here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes straight across. So I'm just going to draw a line that just goes straight across to about there. Then I'm going to draw kind of like a line that curves up and then it's going to curve back down. It's almost kind of like half of a moon. Then I'm just going to continue drawing my straight line. And then when I get to here, I want to make the tail of the shark. So I'm going to kind of do the same thing I did up here. And I'm going to make a big kind of half moon shape. And then I'm going to draw it all the way down to this fold. So I'm going to draw a line that curves up. And then it's just going to curve back down to here. Now, I'm going to continue this line. I'm just going to draw it down a little bit more. So I'm just going to line it up and I'm going to draw down and then I'm just going to kind of curve up a little bit. Now, over here, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it a little bit farther back. And then I want to make a little flipper for my shark. So kind of the same thing that I did up here. I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm going to curve it back up. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to connect right to here. So I'm just going to kind of curve this up and I'm just going to connect it to the tail. So now we have our shape of the little shark that we drew. Now what we want to do is we want to add some of the little details on here. So first right here, I want to give him an eye. So I'm just going to draw a nice circle shape right here. And then inside that circle, I'm just going to color in most of it. And I'm just going to leave a little bit white. Then right up here, I'm just going to draw a little dot for the nose. And then back over here, I'm going to draw 3 little curved lines for the gills. So I'm just going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 little lines for the gills. Now, we're not going to put the mouth on here just yet because we have this folded. So we have our shark, then when we open it up, we have 2 little halves of our shark. And this is where we're going to put all of our details in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have this fold right here and I want to draw this line down just a little bit farther. And then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to just connect it all the way down to here. So I'm going to take this line, I'm just going to connect it all the way to here. Now, I want to make this shark look like he's got a big smile on his face. So I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up here, and I don't want to go past this little fold line. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to draw a big smile like this. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to draw it right to about here. So I'm going to draw this line down to right about there. And then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve this up. And the reason I do that is because when I fold it, I don't want to see any of this line over here. So I'm going to take this and draw it just a little bit farther down. And then I'm going to connect this. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go right over to here. So now when I close this up, I have a little shark. And then when I open it up, I've got this great big shark mouth. Now, let's add a few details onto here. So of course, sharks have those sharp teeth. So I'm going to draw some pointy letter V's inside of here. So I'm just going to draw a few pointy little V's on the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm just going to make kind of like a few of these pointy little triangles down here. Now, we want to make it kind of fun, and we want to put something in here that he is eating. So there's lots of things you could put in there. You could put a fish or different things. I think we should just be kind of funny, and let's put a little hamburger in here. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and down like a sad face. And then I'm going to just make a line that curves across for the bottom of the bun. I'm going to make a few little squiggly lines for some lettuce. And then I'm going to put a couple little V shapes on here for some cheese. A little curved line that just comes right around here for the burger. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then it's going to come right back up here for the bottom of the bun. And then I'm just going to add some little black dots onto here for some seeds on top of the burger. And there you go. There is your drawing of a surprise fold shark. So when you guys have it closed up, you've got this little shark. And then when you open it up, you've got this great big shark mouth getting ready to eat a burger. So there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.